to add music to Instagram post. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add music to your Instagram post. So in order to add music to your Instagram post, all you have to do is just simply open your Instagram account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you have logged into your Instagram account, just simply click on this plus icon from the bottom of the screen in order to add a new post. And from there, just simply select the kind of pictures and videos that you would want to add in your Instagram account as a post. And after that, just simply tap on next from the top right corner of the screen. And over here, just simply click on next again from the bottom of the screen. And now you will have a bunch of different options to add in this particular post. So you can go ahead and add a caption over here as per your liking. And in order to add music to your Instagram post, just simply click on add music. And now you have so many music options that you can select from the list over here. And if you don't like any of them, you can also go ahead and browse the music as per your choice with different genres and years and popular culture, Bollywood, Hollywood, or anything like that. And you can also go ahead and search the music as per your choice. For example, you want to add some specific music to the post that you are posting, so you can do that as well. And you can also use the saved music that you have saved from the different sources that you are watching on Instagram. So once you have selected the music, just simply tap on it in order to add that. And now you can select the amount of music that you would want to add and simply click on the checkbox from the top of the screen. And now your music has been added to this particular post. And now just simply go ahead and complete this post. You can also add location, tag people and a caption, etc. And once you are done, just simply click on share and your music will be added to the Instagram post quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to add music to Instagram post. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.